Alright, let's do a quick run through this snap-on 11 drawer toolbox here. Pipe plug sockets. All metric. Big Tecton set of wrenches. 2 pipe wrenches. Sonex angle wrenches. Standard all Craftsman wrenches. 1 Williams at the top there. Little mix of everything there. All Craftsman screwdrivers. Nut drivers, Mako. The snap-on ratcheting wrenches or screwdrivers pretty good. This is my prying and scraping drawer. Punches and stuff. Hammers. Measuring. And air tools. Drills. There's an AC kit in here. Battery tester. Just a miniature air compressor. Just haven't gotten rid of it. Kind of catch-all. Snap-on circuit tester. Streamlight stinger. It's really good. Craftsman picks. These are really nice. Supposedly this is Cobalt. Just cheap set of drill bits. Mac left-hand drill bits. Mac easy outs. There's that style and the other style. And that's it. Got a Blue Point reader. And this is Harbor Freight cam. Plug set. Thread restore kit and a Craftsman drill. And later I'll show you my my semi-truck toolbox. All right, thank you.